The view from my bivvy this morning. I'm still in bed. It is looking good for a bite. Talking of bites, I've actually got one in the sling down there. Where is it? Oh, it's around there. 3 bites last night. £32 common, £25 common, a tench. Oh, and I lost one as well. 29.5 pounder. Caught just after recasting out this morning. I had a common in the night. Well, it was about 4 o'clock. I didn't redo the rod because it was pitch black. I couldn't see the far bank, so just thought I'd leave it. And then, yeah, first light, redid the rod. Half an hour later, this one went off. Nice touch. See if we can get her up for a picture. Cool. You okay? Nice old warrior. A bit damaged tail on that, look. Obviously had a bit of damage in the past. Can't get her centre of the frame. Nice scale pattern. Big old, feels a lot heavier than what it is. 29.10. Chuffed. There we go. Nice other side. Quite a long fish, that one. I was just getting the other fish out and the rod's gone. I'm actually only fishing with one rod. The left hand rod has landed in something out there. It's snagged on the bottom. Rather than getting the boat out now, just fishing with one. So it was alright. So yeah, that one's snagged over there by that swan. I don't know if you can see it in the picture. Getting that other fish out, tighten right up. Pull in. Gonna go for the spawner, I reckon. I don't think it's very big. It felt bigger when it was out there. Come on. Oh, it's only a baby. Why did it feel like a 40 pounder?
Okay, well hopefully you were able to hear me on that that video of me playing the fish. The audio would have been a bit grainy because I was so far away. But as I was trying to say on the video, my left hand rod is snagged on something out there in the corner. When my right hand rod went this morning, it got caught up with the left hand rod, and then when I went to redo the left hand rod, it's hooked on something. So rather than get the boat, which is over there by the swan, and go all the way across to free the rod, bearing in mind I've had 4 bites now off my right hand rod, which is not far from where that left hand spot is. So I'm just going to leave the rod snagged up until the end of the session, and I'm just fishing with 1 rod. I've had 2 bites in 2 hours this morning. So the fish that you've just seen me play is in the net. I've got another one in the sling, and rather than sort the fish out, that right hand rod is now back on the spot. I would have liked to have got it out quicker, but I only had 6 rigs pre-tied and I've used them all. So it's not a bad problem having to retie rigs because you've caught some fish. But let's get the fish out that's in the net. It's a common, looks quite nice, and then we'll do the one in the sling. Okay, so this is the one I had just before it got light, just over 25 pound. Little tip for you: if they've been in the sling for a couple of hours, or even while you're doing pictures, and you go to lift them out and they're lively, just let them thrash around in the water in the sling for a bit, let them get their energy out there. Normally once you get them onto the mat and they get some air inside them, they'll calm down a little bit. But if you start to pick it up and it's still quite hard to handle, just put them on the mat. It'll be absolutely fine. Just leave it there. It needs to get some air inside it, and they just tend to calm down a little bit. I think the worst thing to do is to try and keep picking them up when they're still a bit agitated. You can normally tell from how much their fins are moving, to be fair, so we'll try it. We'll try it. Famous last words, that one, wasn't it? So, really? Yeah, it's still its pec fin's still twitching, so I know that if I try and pick it up now, he's gonna go. It's a really nice fish, actually. It's mint. It's not got a scale missing. Yeah, it's a really nice carp. Okay, has it calmed down? That is the question. There we go. 25 pound common. Happy days. It's perfect. There isn't a scale missing. It's got an interesting little scar line down the middle of it though. At the top there's a couple of different colours, but lovely colour to it. Mouth's in good condition. 1 hook hold. That was mine. There we go. Let's have a side. Decent frame on it. Big old tail as well. Look at the colours on that. Proper spring carp. Not ideal for getting on waterproof trousers, but everyone knows this situation. You think you're all organised and everything, and then a couple of fish and it just turns into carnage, really. This is a right mess for me. There's coats everywhere, bags, cables, rig wallets, jumper, towel. I'm soaked, but it's all good. I had a bite, well, I had a beep, and I thought I'm going to set the camera up. And then 2 seconds after I set it up, It went. I can't stop it. Sometimes walking back, rather than pulling, and he just pulls straight back. Sometimes walking back like that takes him away from the snag, rather than pulling the rod. Especially because I'm fishing up towards reeds. I don't just want to pull and then pulling the hook out. So like wind down to the lake and then just walk back slowly. Just seems to do the trick really. Until they pull you back in. I don't want to jinx it, but it feels all right. It feels quite good. But they all have. That 20-pound common felt like a 40-pounder. This is my third bite now in 3 hours. I'm running out of bait. I'll probably just end up fishing single hook baits over there at this rate. It's normally the sign of a good fish when it's taking line at distance. It's just holding its ground. It is not giving me anything here. I don't think I've gained anything. Take it nice and slow. The only thing that's worrying me now is it's gone left, which is where that left-hand rod is snagged up. Don't really want this getting in the same area really. He might just come down this margin to my left-hand side. All of the bigger fish in here have done that. The smaller ones go around that little island, but the bigger ones come down this left-hand side. It's weird that.
He's actually caught another line. Oh, this is fucking brilliant. This is the sort of stuff that always happens to me. How's he managed to catch that? Oh my god. This can't just be me that this happens to. I suppose this is real, isn't it? This is real carp fishing. Not all that nicely produced, edited, cut out all the carnage. Actual carnage going on right now. I don't even know what's happened. It's a really good fish.
Well, I've managed to sort all of that nonsense out. It picked up the snagged rod, which is expected. It's actually a really nice carp and it's quite big. So I think what I'll do is get the rod back out, get some bait back on the spot. I'll find the timestamp of when I cast that out because it's on this video, and then I'll put the timestamp of this video and you see how quick I got that bite. So I need to quickly tie a rig, get the rod back out, sort the fish out. See you in a bit.
That was the third cast. Don't be fooled. Wow. It's quite nice. Not weighed it yet. I'm going to do it on the camera. Sorry for the amazing framing that I've got. Get this zeroed up. Ideal. Rather than just me lifting the fish up, I thought I'd show you a process. There's no fibbing. Oh, it's big. Well over 30 pound. Okay, get it in the sling. All right, mate. Oh yeah, you still got the hook in your mouth. Cool, that wasn't coming off. Jesus. Make sure we do some repair on that mouth. That looks like it's been caught a couple of times there. Alright, calm down, calm down. I reckon 32 pound. Looks alright. Can't remember what the biggest one I've had out of it yet. I think it's 36. Not far off. 32.8. That will do. This is nice. So, 32.5 pound. April carp. There we go. Lovely frame on it. Those scales. I am buzzing. That is what it's all about. Biggest one of the trip. Coming last. Thank you very much. This is a nice side too. There we go. 32.5 pound. It looks big. No wonder it gave me a good old scrap. This is my first video on YouTube, and yeah, I hope you've enjoyed it. I'll probably put some more up there. I don't really know when or how often, but
yeah, this has kind of just been off the cuff really, so I'll put it all together and I might go home after this carp. Don't know, we'll see what happens. You might see me again. If not, thanks for watching. Be lucky. Just had another beep on that right hand rod, so just going to press record, see what happens. Because last time I did that, it actually went off, which is pretty mad. I might even get a bite live on video, which would be my first time ever. Got a kingfisher once on a rod, but not a bite. Be nice to finish off with a 40-pound common, wouldn't it? That would be lovely. We're in again. Hopefully you can see it on the far margin there. I don't even know if I pressed record, to be fair. Let's have a quick double check. Oh yeah, we're going. Sun's out now. Always doing the same thing. Oh, that's a nice one. Not very big, but it's nice. Oh, come on, mate. Got him. Wow, I did come back. I'm not sure if you heard on the video, but I was thinking about going home. I thought that other fish just spooked the area a little bit. Quieting down, hadn't seen anything. This one, $21.10, $21.8, something like that. Call it 21.8, 21.8, 21.5. Nice carp. So I know I said I was going to go after that last one, but glad I stayed. I've got enough bait probably for 2 more. I think I'm still only fishing with 1 rod. I suppose it goes to show, you know, 1 rod in the right place is better than 3 rods in the wrong. So get her up. Looks like a very similar strain to that last fish actually. All right, mate. Try again. Look at the size of that scale on it. Move this side way a little bit. Now the main reason I've done this video is because my Bluetooth from Mo didn't work. Well, the battery's dead. So then I ended up filming the first fish. And yeah, just kind of gone from there. So I didn't set out to make a video today, but it's been all right. Not a bad session to film, is it? Lovely carp. Show you the other side. There we go. Nice single scale. That fish is lovely. Little tail on it. Nice scale. Really recognisable. Again, thanks for watching, and I'm probably going to go now, so yeah, hopefully see you again.